We are gathered in the presence of God, family, and friends in celebration of love, because Samantha and Michael had a dream to spend a lifetime of love and caring for each other. It is here today that their dream will come true as they are legally married.
I, Michael.
I, Samantha.
Choose you, Samantha.
To be my husband and my best friend.
I promise this day to share my life with you.
To respect, be honest, support.
And love you. And I will stand by your side from this day forward.
And for all the days of my life.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
I've known Mike for quite some time, from when we were little kids, but not through our own fault. We went down different paths in life, and then we met again in high school. Ironically, through a video game. We developed a bond, we became brothers.
My Sammy Mantha, what a journey we've been on together. I feel like I've known you my entire life. Probably because we've been best friends the majority of it. We even developed ESP. We look at each other and we know what each other's thinking.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up.
Skaggs, I still remember the first day I met you. I was home from college. Sammy was so excited for me to meet her new boyfriend. I'm so happy you guys made it through to your happy ending. I love you, Skaggs. And Derek Jeter would be a lucky man to have you.
Just take it up. Let's paint the town. Paint the town. We'll shut it down. Shut it down. Let's burn the roof. And then we'll do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And do it. And do it. Let's live it up and do it. And do it. And do it. Do it. Do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it.
Mike and Sammy were no longer boyfriend and girlfriend when he proposed to her in Italy. They bonded by time, name, a couple of dogs, some chickens, a beautiful home, and most importantly, love.
Up and down, around the clock. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Saturday to Sunday. Get with us. You know what we say. Party every day, party every day, and I'm feeling.
May that next chapter be filled with years of happiness, health, some children without fur that Patty can take care of, and dress in an infinite amount of outfits and share all over social media.
No matter how far we are apart, I'll always be there for you guys. After all these years, I consider you family. Welcome to the bunch, Skaggs.
So to the bride and groom, cheers.